Sometimes it only takes one small accent piece to clean up the look of your slingshot, and that's exactly what this EvolutionR vented swing arm accent is designed to do. This precision-cut insert fits directly into the recessed section of the factory swing arm, giving the rear profile of your slingshot a cleaner, more performance-inspired look without any permanent modifications. It's made from durable ABS plastic, fits all 2015 and newer Polaris Slingshot models, and comes available in matte black, red, or a carbon fiber pattern so you can match the style of your build. And since it uses pre-applied automotive-grade backing tape, there's no drilling, no tools, and no hardware required to get it installed. Simply clean the surface area thoroughly with an alcohol prep pad. Then peel back the protective film from the backing tape and carefully line it up inside the recessed swing arm section. Then press it firmly into place, applying even pressure across the entire piece to make sure the tape fully bonds to the surface. It's a fast, simple upgrade that adds a subtle but noticeable detail to the rear end of your slingshot, giving it a more finished, custom look in just a few minutes. If this vented swing arm accent is right for you, head over to slingmods.com or follow the link below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on three wheels. We'll see you out on the road.